What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys had a good Christmas and a good New Year, because this video is definitely dropping after the New Year's, because tomorrow's New Year's. It's the 31st today. And today, guys, we got a snowy video today. It's snowing a little bit, not too much, but we got a little bit of snow. And I got a special video for you today, guys. So, the guys from Auxito LED lights sent us some LED bulbs for the Lancer. So we'll be installing them. Should be pretty quick. It's nothing hard. This is a box if y'all want to see. And just LED lights for the headlights right here, because you know everybody wants brighter lights, and LED lights are the way to go. So if you guys need anything, make sure you check out the guys at Auxito, because they got the best lights out there. Anyway, let's check them out and let's not waste any time. It's currently almost 2:45 p.m. It's only -7, if you guys can see that right there. So it's not the worst. We definitely get colder weather here, so this is pretty nice. I'm still dressed for the weather because I don't want to be freezing out here. But let's see if we can get this done in about, I don't know, half an hour. It should be a pretty simple job because I don't think you'll need any tools, because it's just swapping out LED bulbs. But let's check it out and see how easy it is to put in. Hopefully we're done by 3:30 at least. All right, let's open this guy up real quick. Just cut this guy. I haven't even opened the box, so I was waiting for the video to open this. Let's check it out. Don't litter. If you guys care about the type of codes I have, the type of codes of the light, I think the one sharpied down there is the one that I have. It's, if you guys care. I don't know what really that means, but I think I should go inside and open this up. I'm inside right now, so we're not out there for long, just to check out what's in the package, because I haven't opened it yet. So they give you some gloves, little unboxing real quick, some zip ties, got a little manual, and then here are the bulbs. So I only got the headlights. I don't think I got the high beams, but I think they're switchable. So this is how it looks. This is a bulb right here, the little fan in there. It's an LED light. I don't know what this is for. That's a plug-in. Should be straightforward. This was very nice packaged, by the way. You guys should definitely hit up the guys at Auxito to get yours. Sorry, if I have a link for like 10% off for these lights, I'll put in the link in the description. I'll put the code here or the link here, and they'll also be in the descriptions. Make sure you guys check those out if you want to get these lights, because come on, they're nice, man. Okay, let's get back outside and get this started. All right, everybody, I'm gonna be installing these on my low beams, just because low beams are the ones I use most of the time while driving. I don't need it on the high beams because no one drives with the high beams on, to be honest. So let's take out the old ones first. Should be pretty easy, actually. You probably can't even see much of a difference right now because it's daylight. But this is how the low beams currently look like. Just normal lights, and we'll see a difference when I put on the new ones. But I already have LEDs on this car, so I don't think it'll make much of a difference. But if you have like the yellow halogen lights on your car, then you'll make a big difference. So make sure you guys get one of these. LEDs are definitely the way to go. Whew. Had to fight with this guy a little bit, but it finally came out. Look at that. These ones look a little different. I'll show you guys the difference. These ones might look a little similar because they're both LED lights, but the Auxito ones are like a little pointed up top. These ones are a little thicker, and they don't have the fan in the back, but the Auxito ones have some type of fan on the back. And they have the same modules, same connector, so it should be the same thing. But I had to fight with these ones a little bit because they're a little bit stuck in there. It's all crusty, and I'm excited to change these. All right, let's put in the new one. So if you guys can see this red plug right here, this is where the old LED light was connected. So the new Auxito one just plugs in right there, and then we just put it back in the headlight, and we just turn it, just screw it back in there. There's a manual for all of this. If you guys don't know what you're doing, it tells you in the book how to do it. Okay, so I got it plugged in, but before I put it back in the headlight, we're just gonna turn on the headlights and see if it works. Hey, not bad. And the little fan in the back, if you guys can see that, But there's a fan that's spinning back there, and it's really bright, especially for daytime. You can see the difference. So it works. Now that I know it works, we can put it back in the headlight. Putting the bulb back in should be the same thing, just reversed. You have to put it into the headlight and then turn it to secure it. And then all this extra wire that you have, you can either zip tie it with the zip tie provided, or if you don't mind it, just leave it there. But it's nice to zip tie it away so you don't have a bunch of loose wires. So right now I have my bumper slightly off because it was only being held by a little clip here, so I just took it off. And from here I'm able to access the LED light much easier because my hand just reached there. Because here there's not much room here and the battery's in the way, and going here is just too weird. It's just uncomfortable. It's much easier going this way. So let's put it in real quick and move on to the other side. Finally. On to the next side. That one took way too long because we didn't have enough space to try and put it in. This side might be worse, to be honest, because we have the coolant reservoir here and we have some AC lines. So I don't know, let's see if we can try and get our hand in there. The old bulb is a little tight in there, so I'm gonna try spin it using some pliers. There we go. Pretty easy. So this back is just like flat, but this one has a little fan in there. Out with the old, in with the new. And this is just the same as the other one. Let me put this in, I'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes, I zip tied the wires and the LED light in there. So right there you can see the YOUXITO logo right there. And on the other one, it's also zip tied right here. It's a little dark, but zip tied in there. And that should be it. That didn't take that long. Let's close the hood and then see how it looks. Let's turn on the lights real quick and see how it looks. Not bad, not bad. Honestly, I see a difference because these ones are just so much brighter. There we go. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Literally did not need any tools except for the pliers because sometimes they're a little stuck. Other than that, it was pretty easy. You guys can do this at home. You don't really need any tools. But yeah, other than that, I think it's good. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you check the link down below to get yours and for a discount because you guys don't want to miss this. It took us about an hour. Not that long, to be honest. It could have taken less, but just struggling with the zip ties and the bulbs was a little bit hard. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys another time. Have a good Christmas and a good New Year's. And I'll see you all in 2025. And I'll drop some clips here of how the lights look like at night of the before and after. Alright, have a good one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, so as you guys already know, we had LEDs on this car, so the difference is not going to be huge. But as you can see on the clip on the left here, it does look a bit dimmer than the clip on the right. In my opinion, it looks sharper and way more clear than the left clip, to be honest. Here facing the cars, they do look pretty similar, but I think there's still a pretty huge difference because the clip on the left does have light, the right one does not. Some driving clips here, and the clip on the left, there's not really a big difference because we do have LEDs in this car, but I can still see a big difference with the right clip being brighter than the left. And overall, I just think the right clip looks way brighter and it looks like it's going further too. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think the difference was major or not. Alright, have a good one. Peace. Subscribe.